Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. A strong 15-member Sunshine Girls squad, including all 7 players who are based in Australia, has been announced for the Netball World Cup set for July 28 to August 6 in Cape Town, South Africa. But even as they look to fine-tune preparation, the local governing body is still facing a financial shortfall in its budget for the event. Jeremy Brown reports.
The Sunshine Girls World Cup squad sees the inclusion of 5 players who will be making their World Cup debuts. They are Kimone Shaw, Latanya Wilson, Crystal Plummer, Abigail Sutherland and Shimona Nelson. Veteran shooter Romelda Aking-George has also been included and will be making her 5th World Cup appearance. The rest of the squad reads Captain Janelle Fowler, Shanice Beckford, Rebecca Robinson, Nicole Dixon-Rochester, Adine Thomas, Khadijah Williams, Katie Ann Dehaney, Shamira Sterling and Jodie Ward. The team will be guided by coach Connie Francis along with assistant Sean Murdoch and Australian specialist coach Rob Wright. Netball Jamaica president Trisha Robinson says it wasn't an easy task selecting the squad, which will be further reduced by the time the tournament begins.
From that 15, they will have to select 12 with 3 reserves. I think we're fielding the best team that we could possibly field at this particular point in time. And certainly come August 6th, we're expecting to be wearing a precious medal from the motherland.
But even with preparation being fine-tuned, Netball Jamaica is still seeking to close a shortfall of $10 million in their budget for the tournament.
Preparation is ongoing. The team is scheduled to depart on July 14, arrive in Cape Town on July 15, first day of their camp until the games start on July 28. We're still short. As you know, $10 million short, looking to close that loophole. And of course, we're imploring corporate Jamaica to come on board and support us in that area. The team deserves it. They did so well at the Commonwealth Games, and they are looking to mine gold at the World Cup.
The Sunshine Girls' best placing at the Netball World Cup were 3rd place finishes at the 1991, 2003 and 2007 editions. But Captain Janelle Fowler says the squad has the depth and quality for an historic performance in South Africa.
The cohort of players selected shows our depth and will allow us to offer some strong combinations in order to combat the various teams we will come up against. I'm looking forward to one of the best World Cup performances and podium finishes that Jamaica has ever produced. I'm aiming for one better than the recently played Com Games.
The Sunshine Girls ended a disappointing 5th at the 2019 edition of the Netball World Cup in England. They'll face Sri Lanka in their opening match of the tournament on July 28. Jeremy Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Jeremy.